Whew, shit box still running. This must be the first time in a minute that I've actually done an update video on this whip. Like, not that y'all know that because I ain't really been posted like that, but it's been a minute. I think it's been like at least like a couple months now. I mean, look at the mileage up on here, bro. 211,476 miles. Come on now. We running a little bit late, but we got to go to Mueller's Tire because I need this tire alignment bad in Kenosha. But I mean, like $95 plus tax. That ain't bad for a wheel alignment, right? Oh, shit, that sound bad. That sounds so bad. But just an update, so you can see like 211,478 miles. This thing been running good, bro. I ain't had no issues with this thing. The transmission been cool. The engine been cool. No issues. This car is a beast. I'm literally about to go through like my what, third oil change or something like that now. Yeah, we got 213,000 miles. We got to go and get this thing done. Can I squeeze through here? Oh yeah, I'm that dude. I'm that dude for real. I have an appointment at 9.
You want to pull up over here for me? You're kind of blocking the whole.
Well, yeah, I didn't know where to go. My bad.
Over on that side and then.
By this blue Toyota?
Yeah, just over to the side. Yeah, by the little.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This right here?
Yeah, oh yeah, I know.
Those are metal cords starting to show. So
I know, yeah.
Your alignment's so far out of spec, but it's so far out of spec because your suspension is bad. Okay? So you have to correct the suspension before you can align it.
Alright.
So
that's because of the alignment and everything. That's why I was gonna get a new tire after this, but
I mean, unless you fix the suspension, you're gonna do the same thing with the next tire.
Yeah.
Right? So there's a little bit of play in this one. It's not as much, but it's in the inner tie rod, and I'll show you what's going on there. Alright, so you can see this right here. This is your power steering rack. This is the boot for the inner tie rod. It's completely ripped.
Oh yeah.
And it's allowed dirt and debris to get inside there and wear out that inner tie rod.
Oh shit.
So you're looking at a minimum, the inner tie rod and the ball joint on this side. Your CV axle is shot. So you're gonna start hearing a grinding noise coming from that. If you want, you can step down here and just watch your head. So this right here, this is your sway link.
Oh yeah, I see.
Now when you grab it, every time you hit a bump, you're hearing that jangle going down the road.
Yeah, I seen this.
So that one and this one is bad. At a minimum, you're looking at tires, the CV axle, the sway links, lower ball joints, inner tie rod, and we haven't even gotten to the back yet. When I do an alignment on the back, this is what I do the alignment with. Okay? These adjusters right here, there's a fat end of the washer and a skinny end. When I loosen up that nut and I turn this bolt, it'll send the wheel in or out to adjust your toe. Okay? I can promise you, those probably aren't gonna move. Okay, so biggest problem is this bushing right here. See it up there? You see how this rubber is pulled away from that metal? Those are bad. So that trailing arm would have to be replaced. Just from standing outside of it, in my experience, I can tell you that the way the car is sagging in the back, it's sitting down like this, and the tires are leaned in at the top, these coil springs are bad.
Yeah, I saw that too. I figured it's kind of. I figured the coil springs are bad.
Yeah, this is one of those things where if you got the car for $1,000, you can easily end up sticking $2 grand into this thing to get it back in normal working condition. Easily. No, is the car worth $3 grand to you?
I knew the suspension was bad, but I didn't think it was that bad. That was eventful. I kind of had a feeling it was gonna be way more than 2,000. That's kind of fucked up. But I mean, like, I wonder how much it'll be for me to just do it myself. I knew the suspension was bad, but I didn't think it was that bad, bro. Damn. Getting a tire over here on the right side. Well, yeah, on the right side.
If you want to come back in an hour, he has to
I see you all over there.
Yeah, so what now?
fix the compressor.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Like an hour.
Yeah, all right. Damn, do y'all see that? That's literally the wires are sticking out over here. Hey, I'm gonna just get out the way and cash up y'all know if it's cool.
That's a new fold, eh?
Yup, just came out.
That's super thin, huh?
Hell yeah.
Is that a case on there too or no?
Yeah, it's a case. It's still thin.
You almost dropped this shit. You dropped that over here, man.
Shit. It's nice though. Yeah, that's gonna need a lot of work up in there. Appreciate you.
Yeah.
We all good then? Yeah. All right, thank you. All right, it's dark out, but we still gonna try it, man. Let's try this out. All right, so man, I don't even know, man. I'm pretty sure the compressor's fine. It sounds like it's fine, so I don't think I really had no issues with that. Start that up. AC's all the way up max AC. All right, cool. All right, so, yeah, okay. It's kind of moving around a little bit. Guys, I think we are just SOL. Cause yeah, that's not working out. I think we probably have like a massive leak or something like that in the AC, bro. Cause it's just not filling up for nothing. So, I mean, at least I know now. But yeah, I mean, I literally just dumped this whole can in there and it's still like, it didn't even fill up nothing at all. So yeah, I think we just screwed. I'm not even gonna lie. So I'm gonna need some kind of UV dye or something like that now to go ahead and check where this leak's at. Alright, finally got a couple of pretty important updates for this car. So for one, I'm at Walmart. We about to go and grab something real quick. So I need this because I'm trying to up my tires. And I'm actually pretty hyped for this, but your boy finally ordered a new radio. So I'm not gonna need this Bluetooth shit no more. I literally just got me a radio off of Amazon. It actually just shipped too. Oh yeah, check me out, G. It's arriving tomorrow too. Let's go, bro. I got me a little Qualcomm screen, everything. I'll just go and put that in there. I got my CarPlay, wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, all that. Thing even come with a backup camera too. So that's gonna be here tomorrow. We're gonna see what's good with it. Obviously, I'm gonna go ahead and install that on camera, but I'm about to go and put those on too. Woo-wee, I'm excited for this, bro. What do we got here? My CarPlay finally came, bro. I hope it's gonna be good. I actually got like, there's like a Qualcomm version and there was something else, and I got the Qualcomm version because I already know about Qualcomm because I do tech videos and all that, so I hope it's good. Yeah, I hope this works out though. Like I saw like a screen mirror and all that stuff too, so I mean, that's gonna be pretty dope. I can go ahead and pull up my screen while I'm driving. I'm not gonna be looking though. Let's say I could pull up my screen while I'm parked. Yeah, there we go. That makes more sense. All right. Oh, snap. There we go. Yes, sir. We got an Apple CarPlay in the building. Oh, snap. And it's black. So, I mean, yeah, it blends in pretty good. So, oh, wait, no, that's the wrong way, Latrell. Put that right there. We got all our wires and everything. We got a pry tool, which I'm going to need. And don't this thing come in like a... Oh wait, yeah, don't this come with like a backup camera or something? I thought it said on the Amazon page it comes with a backup camera. I don't see a backup camera though, unless this is it. All right, I got my screws and everything. So this is gonna be the last time that I use this radio right here, man. It's crazy. And the last time I'm gonna have to go ahead and use this like aux receiver thing right here. This is crazy. I'm so glad I finally got me a CarPlay unit, man. This is gonna be so dope. Yeah, it's gonna be the last time I use that. By the way, I don't know if you can see my other car over there. That's my Kia, but yeah, I'm actually taking off that bumper because I was actually replacing the headlights. I'm gonna get me some brighter Phillips bulbs to put up in there. All right, let's do it. Time lapse time. Y'all, we did it, man. For my first time actually installing a radio, this actually went pretty good. But check me out. Oh my God, look at this. Oh, wait, I don't mean to do that. Look at this, bro. We got Android Auto and Apple CarPlay in the car. Let's go. We are finally here. Let's go and peel this off. Woo! There we go. There we go. Hey, listen to that. It works perfectly fine. So the only thing I don't like about this, and I was trying to look everywhere, but I can't find nothing with physical buttons or like no physical turn knob or nothing. I just gotta touch this. I don't really want to do this, but this is dope, man. So I got my Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. I went ahead and got these USB ports and I put it down here for now until I can figure out how to go ahead and get this out because I couldn't figure that out. But I couldn't figure out how to go ahead and get this off because I was gonna go ahead and put these like actual USB ports down here and then just go ahead and plug in my phone. But I'll figure that out later. Now let's see here, Android Auto. Like you can see here, it is working. So we got everything going on over here. I got my smart things, so I can go and do that and pull up, you know, my smart home or just navigation or whatever, just regular stuff. Got my music playing. This is dope. It's so dope, man. I'm just finding the issue where so far, like, here's one thing. Well, actually, you can see this too. The clock is working, so cool. I need to go and fix that. But look at this. So you see, like, it's not secure in there. I've been trying to figure out how to go ahead and do that, and I can't figure that out. There's like no screws, nothing like that. So I'm gonna have to look in the instructions again. But like, yeah, we do have a new faceplate, so that's cool. And then I'm gonna go and get that replaced soon. And it's like a darker gray, so it don't really match completely, but like, it is what it is, bro. See if it works on the iPhone then, I guess. Oh, snap. It does. Oh shit, that's crazy. So if I want to, I could literally just let me see here, YouTube, and would it work? Oh my God, I think it's working, y'all. I think it's working. It is working. I can see it. Oh, that's crazy. Besides the volume buttons though, bro, like I'm definitely satisfied with this. I'm so glad I went ahead and got me this CarPlay. Boy, that sucks. Let's talk about it. Better yet, let's just fix it. Oh yeah, we good. I did that. Now here's the thing. I have zero clue on how I should be able to go ahead and fix this thing. But I mean, it should be that hard, right? I mean, like, check it out. I literally just bought this from eBay and it came quick, man. Like, it's already here. But basically why it looks like this is because I was driving in the hood in Milwaukee and I went ahead and parked on the side of the street and somebody basically just sideswiped me because you could see it right here too. It hit the fender and everything, bro. It was bad, man. It was loud and it smacked the window right here. Like, you see the whole outlining right here? I'm surprised it didn't crack the window. It literally was just face planted onto the window because this whole thing that came out and I just clipped it back in. Now the motors and everything still work. That's cool, I guess. I mean, so the wire wasn't really clipped or nothing, so I'm gonna have to go and throw this back in. But I'm like, damn, man, all the progress I was making, and now that's what it looks like. So I gotta figure out how to get this off right here. I have no idea what size we need, so I'm gonna need to figure this out.
Tab right there. I'm gonna try to give that.
And honestly, that was like super easy, bro. Look at that. Already it's off. Whew, that thing is messed up, bro. I swear to God. Damn, that's bad. But I do notice something though. See how this is blue? This isn't blue on the new one. All right, let's see if it works or not. Let's go ahead and adjust this. And yes, sir, we're back in business. We got a working mirror in the building. Yeah, I couldn't even go up and down. Yeah, now I can. That's just like, damn, that's crazy. I'm just shocked this thing came on a Sunday. Like, what the fuck? I didn't even know FedEx deliver on Sundays.
CV axle is shot. CV axle is shot.
God damn. What's up, bro? I was just looking. Don't mind the camera on my head. I'm just,
that's fine.
goddamn CV axle done snapped on me, man. Oh my God. Yeah, I was literally going to get a new tire literally right before this and then it just snapped. I just got out the turning lane on 75th and I was next to Chick-fil-A over there and it snapped.
Yeah, at least you're not stuck in the middle of the highway.
Yeah, I know. That's why I was like, look at my baby go. Huh? All right, I'm following. So here's the backstory on that. Why am I in this car right now? So I'm literally in this car right now because, well, when I was actually here and my CV axle snapped, that was me and my mom at Costco. Basically what had happened was like, I was just going over there real quick and I was in a turning lane on 75th Street, if you know anything about Kenosha. I'm right next to Chick-fil-A. And I was like, I just got off the state highway. It's not like an actual highway or anything like an interstate, but it's like a state highway. It's a main road, but yeah, basically like I was over here just trying to turn and get out that turning lane. And as soon as I cleared the street, the CV axle snapped on me. I was like, fuck. But I was actually so happy, bro. Like I didn't get stuck in the turning lane or nothing. But like it could have happened on the highway because I was literally on the highway like not that long before that too. So like that was crazy. And I'm close to home, so basically I don't got paid no crazy overage miles or nothing like that with AAA. So I mean, I'm happy with the results. I'm not happy that it broke, but like there was a lot of groaning and stuff like that before too, like when it actually snapped. So like he said, it could have been worse, and I already knew that. So I mean, I'm not too mad about it. But yeah, look at my car on the top. But yeah, this car do need a lot of suspension work, so I'm kind of already knowing this. And then yeah, so the new CV axle, like I said, it's gonna be about 50-60 bucks. I'm not too mad about it. Once I get back from Vegas, cause I'm driving this thing out here to Vegas, man. I'm literally driving 25 hours to Vegas in this car. Then I'll worry about that when I get back. But yeah, after my mom went ahead and picked me up, I basically just kind of left the car there and got back to my car. And then I had my girl bring me to my car so we can go ahead and get this thing towed. And I'm bringing it to my garage now. Huh?
I'll help you push it.
Okay.
The airway's not gonna let me pick the truck.
Okay. Oh, look at you. Look at you. Say hi to the camera. Say, Millie, say hi to YouTube. Say hi to YouTube. Huh?
Traction control button.
There is no traction control. Ready?
Oh, you want to steer?
Huh?
Push it.
Oh, yeah, I can steer. Yeah, we got it. Yeah.
It works a little
Yeah.
bit.
Yeah, that's good.
All the way up.
That's good enough.
Yeah, it works a little bit. I had it.
Uh-huh.
Working it.
Appreciate the help, man. As always, for the same car.
Merry Christmas.
At this point, I don't think you're ever gonna need me having me requested for that car out there. I never had no issues with it. We're good here then.
Have a good day. Hopefully you can get it back soon.
Yeah, I worry about that when I get back from Vegas.
Oh, you're coming? You're going to Vegas?
Yeah, I'm driving that car out there. I'll be out there for a week. All right, man. You have a good one. You too.